Hi guys, it's Rachel at WTI and I want to talk about this finishing powder by KOSAS. So I really love the case. I was really drawn to just how kind of cool it is. It's like this plastic clear case. It was just pretty cool. I like the fact that you have different colors that you can choose for your skin. So you're able to put this on as a finishing powder. It helps control the oiliness. It is comfy like a cloud. And I do love that this is vegan free, it is gluten free. I just love how smooth the powder feels. You literally don't feel it on your face. It's so refreshing. And like I said, it comes in so many different colors. So you just have to find the one that matches your skin, which I really love. The fact that they have so many different shades. How cool is this case? If you look at the thick plastic, I was just drawn to that. And it is literally smooth like a cloud. If you rub your finger over this powder, it goes on your face and it looks so natural. I absolutely love it. It's one of my go-tos when I am finishing my face and my makeup, but that's just my point of view.